Hello and good evening everyone. My name is Vishakha. Today we will learn about the concept of trigonometry in the mathematics. Okay, trigonometry is the branch of mathematics and is deal with the various different branches of engineering, that is astronomy, navigation, etc. So after this video you will be able to understand the basic concept of trigonometry and use of it. Okay, so without any delay let's start. That is what is meant by the trigonometry. Before that, you know the similarity of triangle. Okay, when we say the two triangles are similar, when their sides are similar, their angles are similar. Okay, so if we consider that PQR and the angle triangle ABC, there are two triangles. Okay, this two triangles. When we say the two triangles are similar, when PQ is similar to AB, QR is similar to BC, and PR is similar to AC. Okay, by the use of them, we can calculate the value of side of their triangle. Okay, by the use of the similar property of similarity of triangle. The next one is the Pythagoras theorem. You know the Pythagoras theorem. What said Pythagoras theorem? If a triangle ABC having the value 90 degree, then it is the right angle triangle. Then the opposite side of 90 degree is called as the hypotenuse. Okay, then Pythagoras theorem is said that the summation of, that is summation of square of both sides is equal to the square of their hypotenuse, that is AB square plus BC square equals to AC square. This is known as the Pythagoras theorem. Means by the use of Pythagoras theorem we can calculate the value of any sides of their triangle. Okay, if we know the value of AB and BC, then we can calculate the value of AC. If we know these two sides, then we can calculate the value of AB. Okay, so these two concepts are used in the to find the measurement of their sides of a triangle. So third one is the trigonometry ratio. Okay, means by the use of trigonometry ratio we also can find the measurement of sides of the triangle. Okay, so trigonometry word is a Greek word, that is combination of three words, three Greek words, that is tri means three, gona means their sides, and metry means their measurement, three sides measurement. Okay, so and trigonometry having 6 ratios. Which are they? One is the sine ratio, second is the cosine ratio, third one is the tangent ratio, fourth one is the cotangent ratio. Okay, fifth one is the secant ratio, and sixth one is the cosecant ratio. These are the ratio. Okay, these ratios are known as the trigonometry ratio. By use of them we can find the value of sides of a triangle or angle of a triangle. Okay, so how we find it? If we consider the triangle ABC, that is it is right angle triangle. Okay, B having some value 90 degree and C having some value like theta. We can use the theta or alpha or beta or gamma, anything. Okay, so we take the value theta here. If we consider the angle C, okay, the side opposite to angle C is AB, side adjacent to angle C is BC. Okay, now if we consider the AB by AC, it is what? AB is what? The side opposite to angle C, that is opposite side. And AC is what? The hypotenuse. This ratio, opposite side upon hypotenuse, is known as the sine ratio. Briefly, we can write as sine ratio. Okay, it is about the angle C. So we can write as sin C. and C having some value, that is theta, sine theta. Okay, this is the sine theta. This is the sine ratio, opposite upon hypotenuse. Now cos. Cos is, if we take BC by AC, so BC is what? Adjacent side, and AC is what? Hypotenuse. Okay, this ratio is known as the cos ratio, that is adjacent upon hypotenuse. Okay, now if we consider the AB by BC, AB is what? Opposite side, and BC is what? Adjacent side. Then this ratio is known as the tan ratio, that is tan theta. Okay, and with cot, that is cotangent. Cot is inverse to the tan theta. Sec theta is inverse to the cos theta, and cosec theta is inverse to the sin theta. Okay, these are the six trigonometry ratio which is used in the to find the measurement of their sides. Okay, concept clear, students? Thank you.